Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to make Japanese Kani Salad with vinaigrette dressing. Stay tuned so you will know how to make business out of this recipe. Let us start with the vinaigrette dressing. We need garlic, 5 tablespoons of calamnsi or lemon juice. I prefer vinaigrette over mayo-based dressing. You may also use cane or apple cider vinegar. Then add 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. You may use salt if you don't like fish sauce. Third, add 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. Next, add 3 tablespoons of honey. You may add more or less honey. Adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Mix well. You may substitute honey with sugar. Finally, add 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Stir to blend it well. And set aside. Transfer to small containers. Now let us prepare our Kani salad. First, peel the cucumber, then slice it like matchsticks. Do the same with the carrots. Slice thinly. Now let us peel the crabstick and shred. The complete list of ingredients is posted at the description box below. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. Use good quality of crabstick for better results. Slice the mango and discard the stone. Wash and drain your lettuce. Arrange the salad in the tub. Lettuce, carrots, cucumber, sliced kani, and mango. You may sell this by adding 25 to 30% markup to your total cost. That's our Kani salad in tub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!